Are you bored with typical paper-based tests in your classroom? I think we all are, especially during STAR testing season. Hello, my name is Jessie Gray. Today, I will be showing you how to create a quiz or test through Google Forms, as stated on the title page here. So, let's get started. In this video, I am going to walk you step by step in creating a technologically involved classroom quiz or test using Google Forms. These can be used as pre- or post-assessments, formal or summative assessments, or just a quick way to get your students' understanding. To start off, you will need to open your Google Drive, as I have shown here. When you have your Google Drive pulled up, you're going to go to the top left-hand corner, click on the new plus sign, and it should bring up this list. You're going to go to More, the arrow, and you're going to click on Google Forms. It will give you an option to click a blank form or from a template. I personally just like to have the blank form to start from scratch, or you could choose a template if you prefer. So you're going to click on that. And then you'll have an untitled form pulled up. To start off, to make this a quiz, you're going to want to go to the little toolbar up here and click Settings. Waiting on my computer to load. Okay, now once you click on Settings, this pop-up should pop up. It's really important to do this first so that you're able to make this a quiz. So you're going to scroll over to the third bar, which says Quizzes. And you're going to turn this on that says Make This a Quiz. This allows for the teacher to make a key, apply points to questions, and provide feedback to students while they take their quiz. This also allows for quick feedback to students. Okay, and I'm going to click Save. Now we can add our questions. Before you start adding questions, you can click on the title here, and this is where you can name your quiz, whatever content area you're working on. So for example, I could put Addition Pre-Quiz. And under here where it says Form Description, I can put directions for students to go back to look at if they forget. So I could say, read each question carefully. Now we can add our questions. Your first question is already pulled up for you where it says Untitled Question. I'm going to click on it. You can see it pulled up some options. You can make your questions multiple choice. And if you click on this arrow, you have the choice between a short answer question, paragraph question, multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop down. For math and addition purposes, I would want to choose multiple choice. And now I can type my question. What is 5? Sorry, my computer's being a little slow. 5 plus 5. I have my question. And now under here is where we can put our answer choices. So option 1, I could put 5. And then to add another option, you just click Add Other. Option 2, I could put the right answer, which would be 10. Add Other. Sorry, my computer's not wanting to work with me. Okay, option 3. And you can put as many options as you like for multiple choice. Okay, it's really important to make your questions required. So to make it required, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to turn on the required button. Okay, it's also important for me to click on answer key. When I click on answer key, it gives me the option to click the right answer. So what is 5 plus 5? I would click 10. It'll come up with a green check mark. And I want to add point value to this question so that when my kids take it and I get responses back and it allows me to see their data, it'll grade them automatically for me, which is really nice. So for this question, I'm going to give it 1 point. You can also click to add answer feedback. So if a student misses it, you could write any type of feedback, or if they get it right, you could add feedback as well. Okay, I have 1 question. Now to add another question, I would just go to this right-hand toolbar and I would click Add Question. And that'll pull up another one. Something cool with Google Forms is you can also add text features, images, videos, and sections into your quiz. For a pre-quiz, I don't think it's very necessary, but for a post-quiz or for study material for students, you could always add that. Okay, so to review, on Google Forms, we go to Google Drive, waiting on my computer. Google Drive, we're going to click the New button. It'll pull us up an untitled form. To add a question, we simply type our question, add whichever answer choices we prefer, make it required, click on answer key, add point value, and check the right answer. When I'm done making my quiz, if I go up here to the top, I can click on the eyeball. When I click on the eyeball, it'll give me a student view so that I can double check my quiz to make sure everything's correct, and it'll show me what they see. So when I click on the eyeball, it takes me to the quiz and I can review it. And this is what it would look like for them. Okay, now that's it. Super easy to make a Google Forms quiz. It's very important to follow all those steps, and when you do, you can assign it to your Google Classroom. Waiting on my computer to load. Here is my citations for this presentation. Okay, of course I use Google Docs, and I also use the Screencast-O-Matic, which allowed me to record this video. I hope you can implement this tool in your classroom, and I hope you enjoyed my video over creating a Google Forms quiz. Thank you.